your hypothesis. I just wanted to thank you so much for teaching about the states of matter.
Why, young scientist, it's my pleasure. Science is a lot more trustworthy than that silly magic bottle you were carrying around.
Oh, I still have the magic bottle. I've been saving it for just the right time for when we change the state of matter.
But you don't need magic to change the state of matter. Most of the time, you just need heat transfer.
A heat what?
Heat transfer is when heat is added or taken away from something. As a matter of fact, I have the perfect example. You see, today, I brought ice cream for lunch.
You brought ice cream for lunch?
Yes, and what a scientist eats for lunch is the scientist's business. But unfortunately, I got a bit distracted finding the mass of a beach ball, and I left it sitting. Now, if my science calculations are correct... just what I expected. Melted.
How did that happen?
It happened because of the heat transfer.
Why are you whispering?
Because it's more dramatic that way. Anyway, heat transfer is all around us. Is this your coffee sitting over here?
Yeah, but it's been sitting there for like 30 minutes. It's cold now.
That's the heat transfer! Some people think that the cold air around the cup is what makes the coffee cold. But that's not exactly right. See, heat is always on the move, and it moves quickly. As soon as you put this cup down, the heat molecule started rising in the air.
Is that why when I put my hand over it, it felt hot?
Precisely! Heat moves into the air until the temperature stabilizes.
Stabilizes?
That means that what's in the cup and the air around it become the same temperature.
I'll never look at hot drinks the same way again.
It's not just hot drinks. How about when you bake a cake and the cold batter goes into the hot oven?
Wait, I think I know what happens. The heat from the oven moves into the liquid and it becomes a hot solid.
Until you take it out of the oven, and then the heat transfers
Into the air until it cools off.
You're getting it! Heat transfer causes ice to melt, it causes hot food to cool, and it helps us warm up when we're cold and need the heat transferred to us.
It seems like heat transfer is happening all the time.
That's because it is!
Oh man, my coffee is cold.
That's the heat transfer!
Oh, I forgot my food in the microwave and now it's all cold.
That's the heat transfer!
Ooh, these just came out of the coffee.
That's the heat transfer!
It is so cold in here.
That's the heat transfer!
Someone left the door open and all this hot air is getting in.